All right, Massachusetts versus Karen Read. You can get used to it. This is going to be a few weeks, definitely, of this trial, especially the rate they're going. 2 witnesses, and we're in 2 days. But it's still intense. All the lawyers are all the way in. It is fascinating. Read, of course, standing trial for the second time, facing second-degree murder and other charges in the death of her boyfriend, John O'Keefe.
Let's bring in our guest who has been watching this with us here in studio. We have National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar with us. Michael, thank you for joining us and watching this trial. What do you think about the pace of how we're going and how detailed this cross-examination is? I mean, Alan Jackson is scoring some points, but it's lengthy for these jurors.
You could see several years of preparation into the pace of this trial and into the way they're cross-examining. I think this trial is literally going to last 9 weeks, 8 weeks, because you can see everybody, like every single person is trying to hit a home run on every single witness. The defense has to hit a home run on every single witness. And to be honest with you, when I looked at the themes in the opening statements, I kind of predicting what they're doing. In every trial, I look for one big mistake by each party at some point in the trial. It hasn't happened yet with either party. I'm waiting for it to happen. I feel like Alan Jackson is being a little bit too aggressive, but at the end of the day, he kind of has to, because we were taught when we were young lawyers, right? If you have the facts on your side, you argue the facts. If you have the law on your side, you argue the facts. If you have the law on your side, you argue the law. If you don't have either, you just plain argue. I feel like Alan Jackson's just gonna have to argue the entire trial. That's my reading of it, and that's what I'm seeing in this cross-examination.
But you don't like Karen Read, so that's...
I hate her so. I detest her.
At least he's honest.
Yeah, true. Most people are when it comes to this case. Let's head back and pick up the back and forth between Alan Jackson and Carrie Roberts. It's getting a little heated here, and fast forward is going to get very heated.